In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change URL on your YouTube channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up any web browser on your mobile device or on your computer and then go to studio.youtube.com. If it will ask you to try out YouTube Studio app, just tap at Continue to Studio to stay in a web browser, and after you are logged in, you will be taken to your YouTube Studio, and then we can tap at Customization icon, then Basic Info, and that's where we can find our custom URL for that channel. And in order to change it, we need to change our username. Right here we can easily find handle. Basically, handle is our username, and then we can remove the existing one and then just type in here your new username. After that, we can tap at Done, and to save the changes, just don't forget to tap at that Publish button. After that, it will change URL on your YouTube channel to a new one. However, you can change your URL back within 14 days, and also you can change your YouTube channel URL twice within 14 days. That's how you can easily change URL on YouTube channel. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.